Hi, my name is Robert Ottinger, and I'm an employment attorney with the Ottinger firm. And I'm going to talk about 10 tips to help you negotiate your own severance package. Tip 1, delay the separation date. It's always best to remain employed as long as you can because it's easier to find a job while you have one. Tip 2 concerns the payout terms. You should always get paid in a lump sum. Many companies try to pay you out over time, but negotiate and ask to have payment in a lump sum and also get paid fast. Oftentimes, the agreements provide for payouts in 30 days or 45 days. Try to get it paid in 10 days or 15 days. Tip 3, unpaid expenses. If the company owes you money for anything, business trips, any kind of expense you've fronted the money for, get that paid first and make sure if those expenses are still unpaid that it's set forth in the agreement. Tip 4, ask for more money. If they offer you 3 months pay, ask for 6 months pay or 4 months pay. The answer is always no unless you ask. Also, if you have a bonus program, ask to have a prorated bonus. If you work for 6 months, ask for 6 months worth of your bonus. Also, if you have stock options, ask to have those options paid out. And if they're unvested, ask to have them vested faster before your separation date. Tip 5 concerns health benefits. You should always ask the company to pay your health benefits as long as you possibly can. If the company has agreed to pay you 4 months worth of your salary, ask them to pay your health benefits for 4 more months, or to give you the equivalent in COBRA payments. Tip 6, if the agreement includes an obligation for you to reimburse the company if you find a new job, try to get that negotiated out of the agreement. You don't want to have any obligation there to pay the company back if you find a new job. Tip 7, if there's a duty in the agreement that requires you to seek employment and use your best efforts, try to remove that so you don't have any obligations at all. Tip number 8, make sure the company agrees not to contest your application for unemployment benefits. That's very important and companies almost always agree to that. Number 9, the job reference. You're probably going to need a good job reference. Make sure you hammer out the details and have that included in the severance agreement. And number 10, the final tip, has to do with non-compete clauses. These things are terrible. They prevent you from getting a job in your industry. Try to do everything you can to get rid of that thing. It could really be a pain. Those are the 10 tips. I hope it helps.